After having understood the organization of data in individual series, in discrete series, in continuous series, and various aspects of continuous series, the last aspect which is left is to construct a series when class intervals given are unequal. So let's understand this aspect. Hello everyone, welcome to our Eco Studies channel. I am Poonam Vora, your instructor from Egypt, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are introducing series for our subjects to give you an insight of our offered courses on our website that will help you prepare for CBSE and CUET examinations. But before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of my free valuable videos. And if you like the content, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Now let's get started. Hello everyone. This is the last video on statistical series. And here you will understand how to construct a continuous series when the class intervals given are unequal. Also, you will learn to differentiate between univariate and bivariate frequency distribution. So let us begin. Continuing further with the continuous series, few special cases. We have already discussed less than cumulative frequency and more than cumulative frequency. Now we shall focus on continuous series with unequal class intervals. When the class size is not equal in all the classes, it is known as unequal class interval series. It can be converted into equal class interval distribution by merging or splitting the classes. So let us see how can we do this. Now let us understand how can we convert unequal class intervals into equal class intervals with the help of an example. Let's suppose this is the information we have which shows class interval and frequencies. These class intervals are unequal. The first one is with a difference of 5. The second one is 5 to 7. Next is also 7 to 9 with a class interval of 2. Then it is a class interval of 1, 9 to 10. Then it's a class interval of 3, 10 to 13 and so on. So one can find class intervals which are unequal. Now we need to convert these class intervals into equal class intervals. So how do we do that? We need to take few steps. The first step is to find out the highest value of class interval, which is 5 in this case, 0 to 5. In all other intervals, it is not 5 or more than 5. It is all less than 5. Then find out whether is it possible to make a series of 5 in this case. Yes, it is possible. The lowest value is 0 and the highest value is 25. So one can make a series of 5. Let's see how do we do that. Now here it is that one can have first class interval as the difference of 5, which is 0 to 5, it remains unchanged. Then one can have a merger of class intervals, like we can merge 5 to 7, 7 to 9 and 9 to 10 and club these frequencies. Then we can have another merger with 10 to 13 and 13 to 15 as class interval and can merge the frequencies. Similarly, we can make the next class interval as 15 to 20 by merging these two class intervals and clubbing the frequencies. And last, we can have a merger of 20 to 23 and 23 to 25 class intervals and club these frequencies. So the outcome would be first class interval 0 to 5 as it is. There is no change. Next class interval is 5 to 10. So we have clubbed 7, 3 and 11 as the frequencies to get 21. Then we can add 6 and 10 against these class intervals to make a class interval of 10 to 15 and club the frequencies to make it 16. Similarly, we can club 15 to 18, 18 to 20 class intervals and can have the total frequency of 20 by adding both the class frequencies. And lastly, it is 20 to 23 and 23 to 25 clubbed as 20 to 25 with the addition of both the frequencies as 17 plus 13, it is 30. Frequency distribution can either be univariate or bivariate. Univariate is when the data is classified on the basis of a single variable, whereas bivariate is when the data is classified on the basis of two variables. Let us understand this with the help of an example. The example for univariate frequency distribution is when, for example, roll number of students and their heights are given. So height is the only variable here. Let us understand about bivariate frequency distribution. Now here you can see in a table height of the students as well as weight of the students are given for 12 students of a class. Now we need to classify the data. Let us see how do we do that. I hope you have understood how to construct continuous series with unequal class intervals. Also, you must have understood the difference between univariate and bivariate frequency distribution and how to make a bivariate frequency distribution series. So with this, the videos on statistical series gets complete. Next time we shall come up with a new set of videos. Till then, keep reading, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just Rs 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to Eco Studies channel. Also, drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.